Okay, I'm live. It's 17 April 2025. I have what we have here is a Sanyo MR U4-SX. Okay, it's AM/FM cassette. This one's in sad shape, but it works. I'm playing it using an adapter, and that was the end of the tape. So let me hit eject, flip my demonstration tape over, throw that in, hit play, and there we go. So we got tunes. I just want to have this as a background. Now this doesn't have the battery cover. As you can see, it's missing, but works fine. Okay. I know you can't see it. You're probably sitting at a distance, and okay. Anyway, so I can have this for background, all right? And I've got, let's see here. I've got. Is that one? That's not one. Okay. I've got this one here, right? Okay, he's got that one there. And then I've got this one and this one here. So here's a couple more, right? So I got those two, and I thought I had another one. Oh, I'm playing it, that's right. So that's, okay, that's two, that's three. Oh, here we go. Here's a fourth one, okay. Different color, all right. That sets there, so that's four. And this is the remote control for the camera back there. It's just a little handheld thing. Already zoomed it into this area right here, so. But here is this one here. Came from wherever it came from, all right? So let me just get to it and get into it. And that. This one supposedly has the box to it, so I'm not sure about that, but it's soft cardboard. It's not even actually oh, here we go. So, yep. There we go. So it's like, yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. So it's like, see that? Maybe not in the light, but I have a. Well, I guess we just, how do we get this off of here? We'll just see if we can see that on the flip side of this here. So just, okay, so, yeah, just, so. Don't know. Okay. I think that this would be rolled up, but I can't seem to find the. Oh, here we go. Or maybe not. No, here's the beginning. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. Hard to see. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So. It looks like that. Looks like this. And yeah, for those of you that can read, there's the, yeah, you're in the dark. Oh, right. Here's that end. Okay, so, alright, so, wow, it's got the original stuff here. Nothing else in the box. Got the, here's that one. Here's this one. Okay. Just there. We got the power supply. It's a Sanyo power supply. It's a 9-volt, 500 milliamp. That's 500 milliamp. But I don't need it. I already got one here. So it looks like this. I already knew the. Okay, well, it's got the antenna screws, but it does not have either antenna. And one of these is missing the entire piece, but both screws are there. It does have the battery cover. Great. Let's see here. Battery terminals are completely free of any rust. It's funny, it's green on the outside, but it's been colorized. It's more blue on the inside than in the sun, and changed its color. Alright, well, all its knobs and everything. Hit eject, open that up. Hit a play, maybe. Okay. So let's take my power supply here and hit stop on this one here, which I've been playing a cassette. Here, let's so we know that's music. Alright, great. So there we go, I got that. Undo this, undo that. And then this is the very same Sanyo power supply. Put it in there, put it on the radio. And okay, so the indicator lights up, the volume is down.
Announcement. One person.
That's AM. That's FM.
Person going through the drive-thru of a Dairy Queen has ever been described.
We've got a channel. We don't have any antenna whatsoever, and we've got sound. So that means the radio is really good. Here's some Toto. Anyway, so the radio works. Just needs a better antenna. Let's see if the tape player plays any or at all. Probably needs bells. Let's see here. Wow, that plays. Oh my gosh. Hey, wait. Okay, the belt is loose. Yeah, it will need a new belt, but not worrisome enough for my purposes. So here, let's hit play. Hey, it works. Just a tad slow, just a little slow. See, I know I hit the zoom thing on this one, right? So I should have done this with the zoom all this time. Let's see here. Well, okay, so the music search is not working. Yep, went all the way to the beginning. Probably needs the heads cleaned and such. Let's see here. So hit play. See, yeah, you can see that. Okay, so hit the music search one time. Let's see here. There it is. The light's up right there. And then hit forward. Okay, forward's not going to work if the belt is loose. All right, so let's just hit stop on that because the inside of this, it works on a pendulum type effect. So when it gets smaller, see, when it gets smaller, when the belt path gets smaller, it's fast forward. When it gets larger, it's rewind. And play mode is pretty much the same as fast wind, but it runs it just a hair differently. So the reels do, the takeoff reel does spin, but anyway, it needs a new belt. But the belt in here is good enough to play, but not to give you all your full functions. Hope you can understand that. I know about this because I've taken so many of these apart. The reason why I like this model is because it sounds nice. It has a pleasing sound to it. So stereo wide. This is your tape radio like that, and this is your normal tape, chrome, and metal tape. AM, FM, balance, tone, and volume. And then this has, you know, in and out like that. Okay. Takes six C batteries. All right. And so aside from, all I need to do is cannibalize one of the bad ones, these that I have, and put a set of antennas on the back here. And this will be golden, and a new belt. So yeah, I can't do fast forward, but I can play the other side. Let's see here. Controls don't need anything. It just needs a new belt and new antennas, and they'll be good as new. And if you don't mind the color mismatch, this is the original color, and this is, anyway. Got very, that's all I know about this model, so I'm happy to have gotten it for as little as I did with the box. Okay, so anyway, that's my review of this one here. I'm going to take out, get this out, and just put this down here. Okay, so put this back in. Go and say sayonara to everybody else. All right, well here, let's do it. Well, here. Let me just have this camera here. Well, there's a bunch of people here. Let's see here. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah, here's this camera. You see that there? It's a what model is that? Anyway, okay, so I just unboxed. Here, let me stand out of the way. So I just unboxed that, and it's been 14-15 minutes, and I have one more to unbox. And like I said, I've got what this. So here's, you know, that one there, which just unboxed. Here's one. There's one, and then over here, here's two more. All right, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.